Hello friends, how are you? I am doing well. Hopefully you are all fine. And today I am going to talk about 5 applications or 6 applications which will be helpful and give you support in terms of conversating in English. If you want to discuss something in English with somebody, real-time basis, this application will come very handy for you. For example, you will find some partner online and they will also like you and they will talk to you in a particular topic you would like to discuss or have simple conversation with him so that your practice gets enhanced and you will be able to practice speaking English. So this problem has been solved by me rather, and I will just talk about those applications today. First application I will talk about is Buddy Talk. Buddy Talk is a terrific, fantastic rockstar application, and this will actually enhance you and give you the facility to talk to someone who is online at that moment. And you can try that out. I have tried that on, and this is a really genuine and absolutely terrific application. The next application I'm going to talk about is Cake. Cake is absolutely rockstar application, awesome application, I must say. And with this application, not only you can talk to somebody, but also you can see some videos already pre-uploaded in the application, and videos subtitles will be also given, so you can understand the thing pretty well. And you can pause the video and record your conversation and continue along with the video. So preloaded videos will be available in this particular apps, and who you are wanting a preloaded video or English conversation which is already uploaded. The next application I will be talking about, Josh Talk. Yes, you have heard it right. Josh Talk. Josh Talk is an application made by Josh Skills. Josh Skill is the name of the application and actually run by Josh Talk team. They actually developed it, and all members of here are Indian, and they are real-time basis online conversation can be made, and you can find a partner very easily, but you have to see how much time is there for free of cost application, and after that you will be charged. So it is better to take a look, because I have applied and I have used this application. I have seen this is quite good and quite effective. This application is. The next application I am going to talk about is Camly. Camly is not only the talking application, but it is also a tutoring application. You will find teachers all across the world, mostly who are native English speaker, and you can be taught by them, and your communication skill can be honed by them only. And definitely it is not free of cost. There are some charges and you'll have to bear those charges, and but you will be getting world-class fantastic teacher. So terrific teachers you may find through this. All right, the last application I'll talk about is Grammarly. The Grammarly application, you all know that this is actually not a conversation application, but it actually rectifies the grammatical mistake. If you download this application in your system, in your laptop or in your mobile, if you type down something, if there is a grammatical mistake, this application actually rectify those mistakes and let you move forward. So these are the 5 applications I talked about. Please go through this application, see which is conducive and suitable for you, and go for it. And this is it for today. And in the next video that I'm going to bring in, that will be nicer, and I will be going to talk about tense there. Tense means time. Tense is very easy, but not in a grammatical way. I will go in a different way. So I will talk about tense and verb in my next video. So stay tuned for that and have a great day ahead. Thank you so much. Bye bye.